Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Nayak. Good morning. Switch off your mics, speakers, and
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Shanmugh
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Manu present, ma'am.
Yes, I'll tell you the name. I'm
Good
writing.
morning,
Don't
ma'am.
worry.
Shanmugh sir present.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Shanmugh sir present.
Yes, yes, yeah, I have marked. Don't worry.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I am present, ma'am.
Sorry.
Trinesh used to be present.
I will tell you the names. I will tell you. I know.
Present, ma'am.
I know your IDs, so I know who all are joining. So I'll tell you in the end. Okay. I'll tell you the names. You just write it in the chat box. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am,
Yes.
today is Sujita's birthday, ma'am.
Yes, yes. We will wish her.
Ma'am, take dictation, ma'am, today.
Dictation. Okay. First we will do one concept. Then I will take dictation. Okay.
What?
Okay. 14 and then 20. Sorry.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Wait.
What contest? Good morning, ma'am.
Who is this Yuva's roll box? Is it Yuva?
Roblox, ma'am, not Roblox. It's Roblox.
Roblox. Okay, sorry. Yuva. Okay, okay. Yuva, and then it's.
Ma'am, I started my YouTube channel.
You started your YouTube channel. Oh, very nice. So, what are you showing in that YouTube channel? Send me. I have to
How to pass hard level in games.
how to pass hard levels in games. Very nice. Which games? What kind of games do you play?
मैम पबजी कितनी सब खेलते हैं मैम
PUBG.
मैम
Sorry. Oh, wait, wait, wait.
That's the game where we can play so many games.
Okay. So, of every game, you tell the levels, how to play, how to complete the.
What is your
No, only
channel?
one
Ma'am,
can tell us.
his YouTube channel is totally waste. Vishishta is saying his YouTube channel is totally waste. Why, Vishishta?
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sorry. Okay, I'm telling the names. Those who are present.
Ma'am, I am
Some are leaving. Fifth A and B. Please, this is my request. When you join the class, don't leave the class. You have to leave on time. 11:40. Nobody will. Otherwise, I will not give you. You know, we are daily marking your absent and present.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
So I am marking present daily. You are getting attendance daily as you get in school. Yes, as you get in school, you are getting attendance. So kindly do join the classes and get your attendance. Don't leave the class in between. Don't leave the class in between. Okay?
Today we'll take discussion.
So I was saying, okay,
Presenting.
don't present, don't present.
Is presenting.
Okay, I was asking, Vishishta was saying his channel is totally waste, he doesn't do anything. Why does, how can you say he's not doing anything? Manu, don't present.
Ma'am, whose channel, ma'am?
Yuva has made his own YouTube channel and he's showing how to pass,
Subscribers.
how many,
Ma'am, someone is present. presenting.
Ambika, don't present. Ambika, don't present. Ambika. Okay, so how to pass hard levels in games? He's showing that, and very good. In this lockdown, you are doing something new. I know you can't be perfect right now, but you can try new things. Ambika, don't.
Someone is presenting.
Ma'am, Atika is present. Ma'am, somebody is presenting.
Ambika, stop presenting. Ambika. And all of you mute yourself now. I have 103. Vishishta is saying I have 103 subscribers. Oh, you, Vishishta, your name of the channel. Please send me too. And you are you also. Name of the channel. I'll see the videos. Yes.
I will also.
Ambika, stop presenting. Again and again you are presenting. Ambika.
Videos.
Ambika, stop presenting. Ambika, you are not listening. Good morning. Siddharth is saying, can I talk once? Yes, Siddharth. Siddharth, you want to say something?
International Tiger Day.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am. International Tiger Day. Tiger Day. International Tiger Day.
International Tiger Day today. Okay. So,
I will be giving this call to my sister. And I will be answering any questions.
oh, sorry.
Okay, ma'am. Start the class.
At 11 we will start.
To my sister.
Ma'am, send me. Okay, I'll send the timetable. Siddharth, wait, all of you mute yourself. 5. We will start the class. First, mute yourself. 5, 4, 3,
Excuse me, ma'am.
2, 1. Mute your mic. Just mute it. Mute yourself. No one will say no. Sorry. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Fatima.
Who is saying now? Kirtana, mute yourself, and Tejas. Mute. We will be starting now.
What?
Swatika, Dinesh, mute.
What?
Dinesh, mute yourself. Swatika, mute yourself. Kaveri, mute yourself. Please, I will not take name one by one. 5th A and B. This is
English class, Mama.
yes. See your timetable. You all have timetable with you. See the timetable every day. This is the English class. Okay. So we would be starting in class in 1 minute. Let others join. They have not come yet. 31 only. So please mute yourself, Ishant and Kaveri. This is the last thing I'm saying to you. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Disturbance हो रहा मैम.
Mute yourself.
अल्लाह टीचर.
And don't unmute until I say you. Kaveri, mute. Try to learn how to keep mute yourself. See again. How much time you will take in learning this? Good morning, please mute yourself as you join 5th A and B. This is the first instruction. As Kirtana, sit at one place.
Ma'am, English, EVS.
Today, please see your timetable, everyone. Please see your timetable. If you don't have, I will send it in the group today. See your timetable. Every day, don't ask this, ma'am, it is English or EVS. You should know it is your English or EVS. So, all of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. I'll tell the names, those who are present, those who have joined the class. And Likhita is present, yes. Rakshita present.
Ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth present.
Ma'am, please send the timetable, ma'am.
I already told you I will send. Don't say this again. I will send you. I will send the timetable. Don't worry. Okay, so Siddharth is saying, can I talk once? Yes, ma'am. Siddharth, what do you want to say? I'll give this phone to my sister. I'll be asking chat box. Okay, Prahashita. Okay, so Siddharth, do you want to say something? Sorry, Siddharth.
already.
Okay.
Can you put a challenge versus boys and girls?
Challenges versus boys and girls. Okay, he has ma'am put a challenge on boys versus girls. Okay, we will have this. Don't worry. In English, I will take up this also. If you want a challenge for boys and girls, but for that you have to mute yourself. No mic should be on. Tejas, Swatika, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
This activity is possible when you keep yourself mute, and when I will ask you to unmute, then only you will unmute. So you have to follow some instructions if you want to do some kind of activity. It is important that you listen to the teacher first. Okay? And first,
Okay, ma'am.
so listen to the instructions. G Shrinika, mute yourself. Ishant, mute yourself. Now listen to the instructions. First instruction, as you join the class, you will mute yourself. You will open your camera and you will mute yourself. You will not say anything. Okay? This is the first instruction for every class. I don't want to say this thing. Ishant, again you are unmuting. Ishant. This is the first and last instruction for you. And I am saying this last time. In every class, I will not say you to mute or unmute. I will not say this. As you join, mute yourself and open your mic. First of all is this. When I will start teaching, I will tell you when to unmute and when to mute. Before that, you will mute yourself. We are also attending meetings with principals and higher authorities. We never unmute. Unless and until they say to us, we never unmute. We attended meetings. So they are also saying to keep us mute. So you also have to follow this. Okay. So now let's join. Let's start with our class. Okay. This part which I will take now, I know most of you have done already. We have done it. But some of you have not taken class at that time. So that's why I am taking up again. Okay. So what I am going to teach you, you will tell me today. What was the theme of my activity 1 or picture I will show you. You will tell me what I want to say through this picture. Okay. Be ready.
Okay,
You will tell me. Okay. So I am showing you the picture. Second instruction is today is Sujita's birthday. Kindly wish her Sujita's birthday. On my 3 count, have wish her. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Sujita, are you listening? Sujita. Okay. Very good. Sujita, Sujita, happy birthday. Who is saying like stop now?
Happy birthday, Sujita.
Okay, Sujita, happy birthday. Where are you? You are listening? Sujita. Sujita, happy birthday. God bless you. Okay, so now on my 3 count, mute yourself. 3, 2, nobody will write these happy birthday messages now. No messages in chat box. You have already wished her. So no messages in chat box. No happy birthday messages. So mute yourself now.
Ma'am, today is my sister's birthday, ma'am.
Okay, happy birthday to Ayushi's sister also. God bless her. Okay. So Kaveri, mute yourself. Mute yourself on my 3 count. I am showing you the presentation now. Nobody will present in between. Nobody will present anything in between. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Don't say this. Don't wish again. Mute yourself. Who is wishing like this?
मैम ईशांत मैम
Ishant?
मैम आज एक्टिविटीज करा दो मैम प्लीज
Yes, wait. That only we will ask you. Fifth A and B, mute yourself. Fifth A and B, mute yourself. No talking, please. Let me complete one thing. Let me complete. Next, when I will complete one thing, then we will have a dictation. Okay, don't worry, but don't waste time. Don't waste my time in saying this mute, mute, mute. It takes lot of time. Okay, so I am showing you this picture here. We have already done this picture. I have given you in this homework, holiday homework. So can you see this picture?
Yes ma'am.
I'll mute yourself. I'll ask one. I will ask by taking the names. Okay. Nobody will unmute yourself. I will say you to unmute. Okay. Mute yourself. So somebody is joining.
ma'am.
Wait. Somebody was joining. I guess. Okay. So don't ask. Listen. I'll tell you what is the theme. Yeah, ask your doubts in the last 5 minutes, please. Let me take up this. Ask your doubts in last 5 minutes. So, okay. So,
What is the lesson ma'am?
you will tell me the theme. Have you ever? I have given you the new syllabus, that academic calendar. It was given in the group. If you have seen that academic calendar, please all of you go through that academic calendar. Your syllabus is given week wise, week 1, week 2, week 3, and themes are written there. Kindly see that academic calendar, and we are following the new syllabus. We are following that new one. Good morning, Brunda. Mute yourself. Good morning. So now let's take up with the class. See, there is one picture. I am showing you this picture.
Screen is not visible.
This is very tough for me every time. Don't present again and again.
मैम आप रिकॉर्ड नहीं करते हो क्या?
Don't present again and again, please.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
That wait, I'm making it visible.
Ma'am, visible, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Visible, ma'am.
Good morning. Please, fifth A and B, kindly mute yourself. This is the last warning I'm telling you. Always I have to say this to mute, mute and mute. Very difficult for me. Please mute yourself. Wait, I have to leave once. Mute yourself. I will be presenting to you my class now. Option. I have to leave once. Shit. पढ़ा क्यों नहीं हो रहा ये? Shit. मेरा ये Chrome tab I want to make it big.
He's laughing.
Okay, so rest please. Now mute yourself. Everyone, Mute yourself, everyone. I am presenting my chapter now. Please mute yourself. Nobody will laugh. Nobody. Jazel, do I have to say it again and again? One thing.
Ma'am, somebody's talking, ma'am.
Don't say who is talking. I just want to start my class now. Already you have wasted a lot of time in presenting and I have to say it again. Don't touch that present option. Don't touch present option, please. It wastes the time.
Okay, ma'am.
And mute yourself first of all. Who is speaking here? Mute yourself. Okay, Siddharth. My screen will be visible in 1 minute.
Ma'am, presenting, ma'am.
Yes, my now screen will be visible. First of all, please mute yourself. Mute. I don't want to say it again. Whose mic is on? Tarun. Tarun, please mute yourself. And no, it will be okay in 1 minute. Don't say this and mute yourself. Now I am opening my chapter. Okay. I have one picture for you. Again and again this problem. Who was joining? Somebody was joining. Okay, so can you see that there is one picture here? I will take your names and then only you will tell me. Okay, from 5th A. 5th A.
Your screen is not visible.
This is, I think it's visible now. I am presenting. It is visible now.
No, ma'am, it is not visible.
Okay, I am presenting again. Don't open your mics now. I am presenting again.
Visible. Ma'am, it is visible.
Wait, now mute yourself, and I am showing you again. Now this will be visible. Okay, so there is one picture here from 5th A. Don't say visible or not visible. Leave it. Okay, from 5th A, Tejas. Tejas is here. 5th A.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas. Wait. Okay. Tell me what is going on in this picture. What all these? Sorry.
People are constructing a house.
People are building or constructing a house. Okay, good. So one thing you have told, he has told, people are constructing the house. Okay. Okay, so do you think, next question is very good, Tejas. You have told one thing. Second, from 5th B. 5th B, DP is here. DP Charan.
Yes,
DP Charan, don't take your names. I will take one by one. DP Charan, do you think in making a house only one person is there who can make a house? Do you think only one person is involved in making a house or so many persons?
So many people, ma'am.
So many people. Yes, very good. It is a individual work or a group work?
Group work.
Group work. Yes, very good. DP. Building a house, as you can say, it's a group work, not a individual work. It's a individual. Very good. So what all the person, now I'll ask one by one. You have to say one name only. What all persons can you see here doing the work? One by one. 5th A. Okay, 5th A. Stephen. I think it's mic is. Sujita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me only one person you can see in the picture that is building the house. Only one name you have to say.
Mason.
Mason. Okay, where you can see the mason?
In the.
What is mason doing? Who is a mason? First tell me who is a mason. First you are telling
Who builds the house?
builds the house. So everyone is building the house. Some or the other work is they are doing as DP and they just told it is a group work. Group work.
Mason is laying bricks.
Yes, mason is, this is the one who is mason. Okay, you can see this. This is a Mason.
Mason is laying brick.
Laying the bricks. Okay, very good. From now, okay, good, Sujita. Next is from fifth B. Fifth B, Vindhya. Vindhya is here. Vindhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me another person you can see in the picture. Second person, tell me you can see in the picture. Sujita told one Mason. I have written here Mason. Okay, one she has told me Mason. Tell me another you can see in the picture doing the work.
Painter.
Painter. Okay, painting. This one is a painter. Painting. Okay, very good. What does a painter do? Vindhya, as from
The
the
house.
painting, the painter's work is to paint. Okay, whether a house or a building, painter's work is to paint. Okay, very good. Next is from fifth A, Akshaya. Akshaya is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaya, tell me another person you can see in the picture. Any you two they have told Mason, painter. Rest are left. What else you can see doing the work? Different kinds of work are done in the picture. Any other?
Electrician.
Electrician. Okay, where is electrician? Tell me. Where is electrician?
The light. The light, ma'am.
Blue pipe, ma'am.
This is electrician. Okay. Can you see? Putting the bulb and the wires. Who is an electrician? First of all, electrician is Akshaya. Akshaya.
Making light. Yes, ma'am.
Who is electrician?
Ma'am, electrician is repair.
Your electrician is one who repairs the bulbs and switches and your electricity work. Okay, who does the electricity work? Yes. Good. Next from
Problem.
yes, who gives connection? Who gives electricity connection to your houses or in any place? Next is fifth B, Swatika. Swatika. Swatika is here. Swatika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Swatika, tell me. Three they have told me: mason, painter, electrician. Rest, can you see the person in the picture building the house? Name other, any other. Two are left. You can see in the picture. Two are left. You have to name. Try. I'm not saying you will say correct. You can try. Sorry. One. So nobody. Fifth A and B. I told Swatika. Rest will mute. Will mute. No answering in group. No answering in group. Okay, Swatika. Tell me. Swatika.
Ma'am, she left the meeting.
Swatika left the meeting. What happened? Okay, from next I'll call then Shanmukh.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Shanmukh is
Can
here.
I answer?
Shanmukh Sai. Shanmukh is here. Just say yes. Please mute.
The door, ma'am.
Carpenter, yes. Carpenter is making the door. Who is a carpenter?
Carpenter makes things with wood.
Yes, very good. Carpenter is the person who makes things with wood. Very nice. Very good.
Wood.
Okay, now from fifth A. Fifth, one person is only left. You can see there are 5 persons in the picture doing a group work. Okay, so
Ma'am, I will tell ma'am Sanvi.
fifth A. Now it's turn of fifth A. From fifth A, answer will be given by Ishant. Ishant is here. Ishant, can you hear me?
Ma'am is not there.
Ishant is not here. Okay, then Praharshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Praharshita will answer in chat box. Okay, Praharshita is answering in chat box. Okay, Vishishta is here. Vishishta.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Ishan.
Ishant, you are back.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishant, I have shown one picture here.
I am there.
Okay, Ishant, answer. They have already given the answer. Mason, painter, electrician, carpenter. Okay. They have identified the persons in the picture. Okay. One person is left in the picture. You have to tell me who is he.
I'm gardener.
Gardener? One is left in the picture.
Ma'am. I will tell, ma'am.
Ishant. No, gardener is wrong. Those who are saying gardener, it is wrong. Okay, tell me next. Ishant, tell me who is this person? Sorry, Ishant. Ishant will tell. Ishant will tell. No other child will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishant, tell me.
Ma'am, electrician.
Electrician is over. See, I have written electrician. Electrician is over. Last one.
Helper.
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 Helper or what can you say another? It's a laborer. Okay. Okay. So building a house, as Tejas told, they are constructing a house. So constructing a house is a group work. Can we call it a teamwork? 5th A and B.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think? Okay. Now next screen. Building a, what all things can you consider as a teamwork?
Yes, ma'am.
What all things? Please mute yourself. Mute yourself first. Ishant, okay, your turn is over now. Ishant, your turn is over now. Please. Mute yourself. Swatika, mute yourself. Tarun, yes, I'll give you chance now. Okay. Tarun will answer now. 5th B. First question is building a house. Who is laying the bricks? Tarun will answer. Who is laying the bricks? You can see the options given above. Here are some options here. Plumber, painter, mason, electrician, laborer, carpenter, gardener. Okay. So tell me who is laying the bricks? Tarun Cherry.
Mason, ma'am.
Mason, yes. Mason is laying the bricks. Okay. Next is who is holding the ladder? Ladder you have seen. One is holding the ladder. 5th A, Hashwita. 5th A, Hashwita.
Labor.
Hashwita.
Labor.
Labor. Okay, very good. 5th you have told. Second one is laborer. First is mason. Second is laborer. Third, who is the man on the ladder? Man on the ladder. See the picture? Man on the ladder. One by one. No electrician. Yes. Electrician.
Ma'am, electrician.
Yes. Who is making the door? Who is making the door? Yes. Good. Who is painting the walls? Painting the walls.
Painter.
Yes. So this was about your picture that I have shown you. What does the picture depict you now? Now kindly mute yourself. 5th A and B. Now my questions. Now I will ask you some questions. Mute yourself. Be ready for the questions now. Painter is over. Yes, it's over now. Forget it. Forget the picture. Now I'll ask you questions. First of all, mute yourself. Akshara, mute yourself. Tarun, mute yourself. I will not say this one by one, and I told you. This will not be the instruction for every class. Mute yourself. Ishant, do I have to say you again and again to mute? Ishant, mute yourself. Ishant, mute. Okay, so now first question from my side is, you have seen the picture here, that is building a house. Okay, what does the picture depict? It's a group work, teamwork. So first question is, again you are unmuting. Again, have I taken any name? I am not taking anyone's name. Until and unless I take name, nobody will unmute. So my question is, why is teamwork important for us? We are saying building a house is a teamwork. Okay. So what can you say about our theme? Today's theme is, can you guess the theme? From this picture, I have shown
Teamwork, ma'am.
our today's theme is teamwork. Why teamwork is important? You have to tell me. Okay. So I will ask one by one. Fifth A and B. Don't unmute. Ishant, please, you are disturbing the class a lot. Please. Okay. So
Teamwork is important.
I will ask one by I will ask one by one with name. With name I will ask questions.
Ma'am,
Okay.
your voice is breaking. Ma'am, it is not here.
If my voice is breaking, please leave the class and come back again. It will be okay. Leave and come back again. Then it will be okay. So from 5th B, Sanvi is here. Sanvi, can
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Sanvi, okay, tell me, today's theme is teamwork. As you have seen from the picture, everyone is doing their work, okay, in building a house. So tell me why teamwork is important for all of us. Why should we do work in team? Importance of teamwork. Try to answer in English. Whether it is wrong or right, don't think it is wrong or right. Okay, just answer. What do you think? Why is teamwork important for us? Sanvi?
Ma'am,
Answer something. Say something. What do you think? Teamwork is important, yes or no, and why?
Ma'am, teamwork is important, ma'am.
Why it's important? What is the benefit of teamwork?
Ma'am,
Don't, rest will not answer. She will answer.
Teamwork, we can make our dream work.
Oh, you can make your dream work with the teamwork. Okay, this is one she has said. Good, good. Next from fifth
I
A.
will tell ma'am.
Fifth A. Okay, fifth A. Vishishta. Vishishta is here. Fifth A. Fifth A. Vishishta.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishishta, can you answer this teamwork? Why we should have teamwork? Is it necessary or?
If we have a team, then this stuff we can do will be even more easy.
Yes, very good, very nice point. First point, you can fulfill your work easily. First point, just Vishishta told, you can do your work easily. When everyone is doing their work in a team, you don't have to take lot of pain. Everyone will do something. Okay, so your work can be done very easily. It will become easy. Next from 5th B. Okay. Jazel.
Ma'am?
Jazel.
Yes, ma'am.
Jazel, can you hear?
Ma'am?
Yes. Who is saying this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in my house, no electrician, ma'am.
In your house, no electrician means?
No power. No power, ma'am.
No power. Okay. You can see the class, recorded class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, tell me, Jazel is here. Jazel.
Yes, ma'am.
Jazel,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the next point of teamwork. Vishishta told teamwork makes the work easy. You can do the work easily. What else do you get from teamwork? Jazel, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Try to answer. Don't think it will be right or wrong. Don't think. Just try to answer. You are learning here. We are not perfect. Try to say something. This is for you. I'm not. Okay, Tejas, answer.
My
Teamwork, do
is
the
the
dream work.
Dreamwork, the concept is over. That was given by Sanvi. That is done. Okay, next point. What do you think? Don't repeat them. Use your mind and say what do you think. Tejas, you want to say something? Tejas.
Ma'am, teamwork
Ma'am.
makes our dreams full.
It gives your dreams full. Okay, this is now what else do you get from teamwork? What do you learn from teamwork?
Ma'am,
We
ma'am,
learn that
what
we
is,
have to.
ma'am,
I will tell, ma'am.
Who will tell? Who is telling?
ma'am, what is the question?
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Jaisal.
what is the question?
Sorry, what is the meaning of?
What is the question, ma'am?
Question is why is teamwork important? Why do we do work in a team? Building a house. Do you think one person can make a house? Do you think
I know, ma'am.
you?
I know.
Okay, please mute your. Jaisal, she was answering. Jaisal, tell me, do you have a yes answer? Why is teamwork
Like a
important?
group, we can complete everything easily, fastly, and etc. It
Okay.
is like a group.
It is a group. What do you get from the group? If you do a work, you have seen many games which are played in team. Tell me the names of the games that you play in a team. Can you cricket, football, kabaddi? Why do you play? Okay, kho kabaddi. Now, okay, stop. 3, 2, 1. Stop now. Okay, why do you play these things in a team? Why do we play in a team these games? What do we get from the team? I am asking this.
Ideas.
Ideas. Yes, very good. Ideas. This was a point given by ideas. Who said ideas?
Ma'am,
Nivas, very good. You get new ideas from the teamwork. For example, you are doing one thing your own way. When you do it in a group, you get to know new ideas from other person also. Some other will do in another way. You will do the same work in a different way. Okay, so you will have new ideas. Very good, Nivas. Next point. What else? What else can you get from a team? Sorry?
we get friendship from the teamwork.
Don't answer this relay race and all. This is over. Yes, you are. Answer. You are saying?
We can get happiness.
Happiness. Okay.
We can get
Happiness. Ideas. You can. Next. What else?
Challenging, ma'am.
Sorry?
Challenging, ma'am.
Challenge? Okay. Challenges. You can face the challenges. You can face. Sorry? Okay. You can face challenges. Okay. Now I will mute yourself. Now I will say something. Tell me whether do you agree with this or not. Mute yourself now. Mute.
Yes, ma'am.
So my point is teamwork is important because you get to know other person. You can develop a relation between the person. You can develop cooperation when you are working in a team. Okay, you know everyone. You come to know to everyone. You talk with everyone. You get to know new ideas. Very good point. New ideas. Your work is done very easily and you can face the challenges very calmly, okay, and you develop cooperation, sympathy. Sorry,
ma'am. I also.
yes. So teamwork is important to develop your cooperation. You to understand the relation between a person. Okay. So now one more thing. Listen.
Get friendship from the teamwork.
Friendship, very good. Who said this? Siddharth. Siddharth. Friendship. Yes, very good. Friendship. You build your new friendship. You build a new friendship. You develop good relations, friendship. Okay. What are we facing today? COVID. You have learned about coronavirus, right? कोरोना वायरस के बारे में आप पढ़ रहे हैं ना कोरोना वायरस तो डू यू थिंक यू कैन फाइट अलोन डू यू थिंक वी कैन स्टॉप टॉकिंग वेट डू यू थिंक you can fight alone with the coronavirus?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
What do you need? You need a big team. You
We need a big team.
You need a big team. Everyone will do their work. If you will do your work, you will wear mask. You will go out with precautions. So nothing will happen to you. Yes, nothing. You will be safe, and others will also be safe. Okay. So today's theme was teamwork and cooperation. So this was, I have explained you from the picture. Why is teamwork important? To fight with the situations. Okay. For example, this we are presently fighting with a very difficult situation, that is coronavirus. You can relate it to this. Okay. So nobody can fight this alone. You have to fight with others. You have to fight. Coming together and fighting makes the fight easy. As first point was, you can do the work very easily. You can face the challenges. Okay. So one more thing, 2 minutes are left. Okay, tomorrow, listen the work. Tomorrow we will have, tomorrow I will give you, listen, homework only.
What is homework?
Fifth class, listen. Fifth class, listen to me. Fifth class, listen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mute yourself. So this was the chapter. This was the thing about teamwork. Okay. Next tomorrow I will take a small class test of whatever you have learned from first chapter. Ice cream man, wonderful waste, and the ice cream man, wonderful waste, teamwork. Okay, teamwork and flying together. These 4 lessons we have done. Yes, kindly revise. Kindly revise these lessons. Tomorrow there will be a small class test of this. I will give you. I will show you a test.
What is the homework?
Please listen.
Ma'am, you send the homework in WhatsApp group.
No, listen the first. Listen to me. This is the homework only. I am telling you. Don't ask again and again. First, listen to me.
Okay, ma'am.
5th A and B. Try to listen to your teachers first. They will clear everything. Try to listen to them first. Okay. Your homework is to revise the chapters which I have told you. Ice cream man, wonderful waste. Okay. Till teamwork you can revise. Tomorrow there will be a small class test and a dictation test. Class test and a dictation test. Okay. Be ready with your notebooks. Be ready with your notebooks and the pencil, pen, whatever you want to use. Be ready before my class. Okay. Be ready. I will take the test. Revise the chapters. Tomorrow is a class test. Okay. This is the homework for today. Homework is to revise. Homework.
Send in the
Ma'am, we should revise the chapter.
Exercises. Exercises. Revise the exercises.
We can leave the class.
Yes, you can leave the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we should. From where we should
you send
start
it
to write?
You have done already in your notebooks now. I have given you work. I have given you worksheet of ice cream man, teamwork, and wonderful waste. I have already given you these worksheets in April.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have already done this in
Send in the मैम होमवर्क सेंड करो मैम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में.
होमवर्क बता तो दिया आपको, रिवाइज करने हैं चैप्टर्स. आई विल सेंड द होमवर्क इन व्हाट्सएप. होमवर्क यही है, रिवाइज करो. रिवाइज करो, कल टेस्ट होगा. और हाँ, मैं आपको मार्क्स कल आपको मार्क्स भी मिलेंगे. यस, बाय बाय.
हमें कौन-कौन से चैप्टर रिवाइज करने हैं?
Teamwork, 3 chapters. Ice cream man, wonderful waste, and teamwork. Okay, these 3 chapters. Just revise these 3 chapters. Ice cream man, wonderful waste, and teamwork. Revise these 3 chapters. Tomorrow there will be a class test and I will record your marks. आपके मार्क्स मैं अपनी नोटबुक में लगाऊंगी, डायरी में, और वो आपके मार्क्स एग्जाम में जुड़ेंगे. अगस्त में आपके टेस्ट शुरू हो जाएंगे. अगस्त में आपके टेस्ट होते हैं ना, पीरियोडिक टेस्ट. डू यू रिमेम्बर? So in August you will be having your periodic test. Now you have to.
When is that test start?
I don't know about the date sheet. Listen, 5th NV. I don't know the date sheet now.
Class test.
Sorry. क्या बोल रहे हो?
Ma'am, I have doubts.
Listen to me first. Listen. In August you usually have your periodic test, right? So in this August also you will have your periodic test. I don't know the date sheet right now. I don't have the date sheet. Date sheet will come from the back. Okay. So I don't have the date sheet with me. So when the date sheet will come, it will be given to you. Okay. So for before that we will have a class test so that you can revise the chapter before only. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
what is the next class, ma'am?
Next class is tomorrow. English class is tomorrow at 11. I will take the class test. Don't miss the class test. You will get the marks. Don't miss it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Tomorrow do come for the class test.
Can I leave the class, ma'am?
Bye.
We should revise 4 chapters.
3 chapters: Ice Cream Man, Wonderful Waste, and Teamwork. Ice Cream Man, Wonderful Waste, and Teamwork. These 3 lessons you have to do. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can leave, ma'am.
Yes.
Come to the class.
You will come to class daily, and tomorrow I will give you test and I will tell you the marks. Okay? I will tell you the marks in WhatsApp group. Okay? Don't miss. Yes, you can leave now. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Then otherwise, you can leave.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, bye.
Ma'am, I want to see.
Ma'am.
We can leave the class, ma'am.
Sorry?
We can leave the class, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Sujita, ask doubt. Ask your doubt.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
We should write. Ma'am, we should write and practice the test.
You can learn also. If you want to write, you can write. But you have to revise. You have to learn it. Okay? Learning work.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we leave the class?
Yes, you can leave.
Ma'am, can
Time
I
is
leave the
over.
class?
Time is over. You can leave. If you have doubt, then only you will stay here. PP, do you have a doubt? Swatika, do you have a doubt?
Academic calendar and timetable एक और बार भेजो ना मैम.
Okay, I'll send today only your academic calendar. Please go through the timetable, academic calendar of English and EVS.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
I
bye.
have doubt, ma'am.
Who is having doubt? Arushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ask your doubt. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the homework, ma'am?
Homework is to revise the 3 chapters for class test tomorrow. Ice Cream Man, Wonderful Waste, and Teamwork. Okay? Revise these 3 chapters. Okay? Yes, Swatika.
We want to revise 3 chapters.
Yes, you have to revise 3 chapters: Ice Cream Man, Wonderful Waste, and Teamwork. Tomorrow for the class test. Okay?
Ma'am, tomorrow is class test.
Yes, tomorrow is class test. Yes.
Okay,
Ma'am, I didn't have textbooks, ma'am.
You don't have textbook? You can download it from the Google. If you don't have the textbook, just download it from the Google. You will get the chapters. Ice Cream Man,
Ma'am,
and
how we should download?
go to the Google and write class 5. I will send you personally. Okay? I will send you what to write. Okay?
book is there.
Those who are having books, they can revise from the books. Okay? Textbooks. Those who don't have books, kindly get it from the market or download it from the net. Okay? Download.
Ma'am.
App is also there for NCERT books. Okay? You can download the app also. Google Play से आप एक app download कर सकते हो. NCERT books का app है. Okay?
Likitesh is not revising nothing, ma'am.
You make him revise. Tomorrow is test and he will get marks. Okay? Make him revise.
He's saying,
So-
okay.
No, whatever he says, he has to do the work. No, don't listen to him. Likitesh,
He's playing.
he is opening the camera and he is just going somewhere. Likitesh, you have to study. Tomorrow is your class test. कल टेस्ट है आपका, ठीक है? Okay, now you can leave. If you have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Okay? Arushi, I will send you personally the link. You just open it and download it in your phone, okay, or in laptop.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
ma'am, thank you. Okay.
Likit.
Sorry. Yes.
classwork is going on now, ma'am.
Classwork. Sorry.
Notes.
Notes. Yes, have given the notes. I am daily giving the homework and the notes to them.
Okay.
Do you want
okay,
notes of Ice Cream Man and all you want? I will send you one link, my drive link. Open that link. You will, you know now how to check. You can check the. There will be two columns, one EVS and one English. Okay. Open the English column and you will see worksheets with question and answers. Okay. Revise them with question and answers. Okay. There are worksheets of Ice Cream Man, Wonderful Waste, and Teamwork. Okay. You can take it from there.
In classwork also.
If he has not written, he can write it on any day which is not a class day. For today, you can just revise it from there, and afterwards he can write it in notebook. Okay. Just make him write in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
No holiday homework, ma'am.
Holiday homework? Which holiday homework? Now there are no holidays. That I have given in summer, na? Summer vacation. That are over. That already given.
But he didn't started also. That's why.
So make him do that. Okay. Make him do that work.
That also, ma'am.
Sorry?
Can you send that one also?
Yes, I'll send you the holiday homework also. Okay, send me message personally on my WhatsApp number. What do you want? Holiday homework and chapters. Okay, that I'll send to you. Okay, make him do that.
When the classes
So,
with the same time.
so don't worry, no issues. Just make him write it. Make him attend the class and write it. Okay.